how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Children, in previous class, we have completed workbook part up till 3.1. Yes? Have you all completed, children? If you have not completed, try to complete fast. Okay? Children, now we are going to do 3.2 exercise. Okay? All of you take out your workbook, page number 17. Okay? See exercise 3.2. Here, what you have to do? Okay? Draw a star over verbs that are in the simple past tense. Underline the verbs that are in the simple future tense. Okay, one is done for you. That means you have to keep the stars over the verbs which are in past tense, and which are future tense verbs, you have to underline that. Okay, first one. Okay, you will work all day tomorrow. You will work all day tomorrow. So here, work. What is this verb? Is it in past tense or in future tense? In future tense. This verb is in future tense. Okay. So you have to underline this verb. Will work. Okay. Next one. I snowed yesterday. Snowed means already that work has been finished. So what is that verb? That verb is in the form of past tense. Yes. So what you have to do? You have to keep star over the verb. Third one. Eddie and Lisa will visit the Charminar when they are in Hyderabad. Okay. What Eddie and Lisa will do? They will visit. Will visit. That is in future tense. This verb is in future tense. So you have to underline. Will visit. Okay. Next. You drank lemonade at the party. Drank. Drank means already finished. So past tense. So you have to keep star over drank. Okay. I will write my exam next Thursday. I will write my exam next Thursday. So will write is the verb which is in future tense. So you have to underline. Okay. Next. The teacher explained the sum. Explained. Past tense. So, you have to keep star over the verb explained. Okay, children? See present continuous tense. What is present continuous tense? That means the verb which is happening now. The action which is happening now at present. That is called to be as present continuous tense. P-R-E-S-E-N-T. Present. C-O-N-T-I-N-U-O-U-S. Continuous. T-E-N-S-E tense. Okay. Present continuous tense. Okay, children? The actions that are happening now are called to be as present continuous tense. Okay. We use ing form of verb. In this present continuous tense, we will be using ing. Okay. Like writing, reading, watching. Okay, are you getting it what I am telling? Whatever work you are doing now, that is called to be as present continuous tense. Okay, children, see here. And we use is. We use is for he, she, it. Like he is, she is, it is, like that. Okay, that's what singular children. Singular verbs. Okay, and we use am for I. When you take place of I, then we will be using am. I am reading. I am writing. Okay. I am watering the plants. I am taking my tiffin. Like that. Understood, children? So now, another one. For you, we and they. That means plural. For you, we and they, we can use are. You are, we are, they are. Okay, we can say sentence, we are playing, they are playing. Okay, like that you can use are for the words you, we and they. Did you all get it? Okay, then subject, what is the rule in this present continuous tense? This is the rule, children. Subject plus is or am or are. We will be using subject plus is or am or are plus ing. You have to use ing. You have to add ing. Understood? So now I am going to the park. I am going to the park. I am telling about I, myself. So I am telling I am. Okay. I am going. You are adding ing to this verb go. For this verb go, we are adding ing. Understood? I am going to the park. Okay. Next, we are playing Ludo. We are playing Ludo. Okay. Millie is crossing the street. Millie is crossing the street. Children, did you observe? For each and every verb, we have used ing. Okay. Playing, crossing. Understood? All of you see your works. Okay. What is happening now? Present continuous tense. Okay. Many people are visiting the mall today. Many people are visiting the mall today. Okay, visiting. Are visiting. Means many people, plural. Not only one person. There are many people. So we are using there are. Okay. Many people are visiting the mall today. People are going up the stairs. People are going up the stairs. A salesperson, single. Did you observe there? A salesperson is waiting for customers in a shop. What is the spelling of customers? C-U-S-T-O-M-E-R-S. Customers in a shop. Okay. A man is buying vegetables. A man is buying. Did you observe here? A man, single. So we are using is. A man is buying vegetables. Okay. A girl is opening the door. A girl is opening the door to a cloth show. Okay. To a cloth show, a girl is opening the door. Means whatever the work is being done at that time, he is telling about that. Okay, this is the passage given. Many people are visiting the mall today. People are going up the stairs. A salesperson is waiting for customers in a shop. A man is buying vegetables. A girl is opening the door for a cloth show. Okay, did you all understand, children? Okay. Next, the above passage talks about actions that are happening now. Okay, whatever actions are happening now, that are being given in the passage. Understood? Such actions are shown in the present continuous tense. Understood, children? Turn the page. In the present continuous tense, we use the ing form of the verb. Okay? We use is, am or are before the ing form of the verb. Okay? Is. We use is for he, she, it and singular nouns. Okay. And we use are for I. And we use are for you, we, they and plural nouns. I think all of you understood. And what did you observe your rule? Subject plus is or or are plus ing plus subject. Okay. So see these sentences. I is what? Subject. Am plus am. You have to write I am going to the park. Here am going is verb. And to the park is what? Subject. Okay. We are playing Ludo. We are is verb. Are playing is verb. And Ludo is subject. Millie is crossing the street. Here is crossing is the verb. And the street is the subject. Okay, children. All of you see exercise page. All of you see exercise 3.3. Okay. Look at the pictures. All the pictures are being given here. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to fill in the blanks to answer the questions. So one is done for you. Okay. What are the ducks doing? What are the ducks doing? There is picture. Okay. Ducks means what? More than one. That is in the form of plural. Yes. So, you have to write are. Are. And what is the word given there in the bracket? Swim. So, you have to write are swimming. Are swimming. Okay. Next one. What is the mother bird doing? What is the mother bird doing? Here, see. What is the picture here? What is the mother bird doing? So, what is the answer you are going to write, children? The mother bird is feeding. The mother bird is feeding. Feed is there. So, you have to add ing. Is feeding her babies. Okay, next one. What is Ravi doing? What is Ravi doing? Ravi is sleeping. Ravi is sleeping. Okay. Just you have to add ing to the verb. Okay. Is sleeping. Because he is single, you have to write is sleeping. Okay. Next. What is Sam doing? What is Sam doing? Sam is drinking water. Sam is drinking water. Understood, children? Next one, what? What is the girl doing? What is this girl doing? The girl is dancing. The girl is dancing. What are the children doing? The children are playing in the park. The children are playing in the park. Is that clear, children? Okay, next one, exercise 3.4. Tick the verbs that are in the simple present tense. You have to tick the verbs which are in simple present tense. Okay. You have to underline the verbs that are in the present continuous tense. Observe there, whatever verb are present tense, you have to tick. And you have to underline the verbs which are in present continuous form. Okay. So, first one, children. Shekhar paints a picture. Paints a picture. That is not present continuous. So, that is present tense. So, you have to tick over the paint. Next. Sanya is watching television. Watching. Present continuous. You are adding ing there. So, that is present continuous. So, underline watching. Next. Sohan is waiting for the shops to open. Is waiting. Is waiting. Present continuous. So, underline. And birds fly in the sky. Present. Fly is present. Okay. So, tick over fly. We eat together. Eat. Present. Over eat, you have to tick. I am watering the plants. Watering. Present continuous. Did you understand, children? Okay. You have to underline the verb here. Understood? Let's see exercise 3.3. First one is are swimming. Okay. Second one is feeding. Third one is sleeping. Fourth one is drinking. Fifth one is dancing. Sixth one are playing. Okay. Next 3.4. First one is paints. This is present tense. Okay. Already done for you. This is ticked. Okay. Second one is what? Present continuous. Because watching, we have added ing. Is watching. Present continuous tense. Next, is waiting. Present continuous tense. You have to underline this too. Next one, fourth one is fly. You have to tick fly. This is present tense. Okay. And 5, eat. Eat is also present tense. Tick over eat. And sixth one is I am watering. I am watering. Ing. So, present continuous. You have to underline. Okay. Copy down 5. Your homework is you have to write exercise 3.3. Okay, exercise 3.3, all the bits in your homework book one time. Okay, thank you.